Hello friends, today we have come forward with a new idea of automatic watering of plants. So come, let's go into the project. How the components are arranged and what it is going to be how. So see, you can monitor water pump, Arduino UNO, dry sand, wet sand, moisture sensor module, soil moisture sensor. So why we have arranged this and how it is going to working. First we have to power up the project. So how I am going to power up? See, it is going to be a simple process. So just I have given the supply by my mobile as because I don't have any power bank. See, now the project is energized. This is the water sensor which is going to so what you are seeing in the display is our program. So what for this program? Automatic watering of plants. So how we have programmed this? Come, let's go into the project. Actually, if the water is wet, we no need to water the plant. But if the water is dry, actually the sand is dry, we need to water the plant. We have to use batteries, and apart from this we have to use a relay. But why we have not used a relay in this project? See, this is the 5-volt relay and we have to give a power supply. But without a relay and without a power supply, we are doing this project successfully. So I am going to say this, how we have done this. The circuit connection is going to be a very simple one, and now I will show the working of the project. See what I have done. So why I have done like this? Actually, we have to keep a watering plant. So, but now I keep a water, we can't perform this project. So I have kept a wet sand here and a dry sand here. So by using this, we are going to do the project. So now I am taking the, now the sensor is in wet plant. So now I am taking. I am keeping in the dry sand. So when I kept in the dry sand, you can notice the water is coming out. So now come, let's see again. I am going to take this and keep it in water again, in the wet water. So if I keep in the wet water, what happens? This what happens. Now I am placing again in a dry sand. So apart from this, we have also kept a serial monitor. How does this happens? Come, let's check that. You can see now reading from the sensor. So now it is 48, 47, 46 and 45 going on. So that's why there is no deflection. That's why the motor is not get energized and the water is going. So now you can notice what's the value. Minus 20%. So if it goes beyond minus, the water automatically comes out. So now we will again keep it in our wet sand. So suddenly when I keep in the wet sand, you can notice the value is coming from minus percentage to plus percentage. So this what happens. So now I am, for the purpose of explaining the demo, I am again pouring this water, as because I should not waste water. Water is a precious thing. So okay, now again I am going to test you and show. I kept in dry sand. You can see this what happens. So now I will keep it in the wet sand. So this is the wet sand, this is the dry sand. So why I have done without a relay and without a power supply is to show that compressor motor, actually a water pump motor, can run with the energy that comes from Arduino. So apart from this, we have programmed in such a way that is available in the serial monitor, and apart from that, a program edited by Mr. Ram Shankar. So thank you friends for watching the video. For further queries, you can contact us, and connection program is available in our description. Thank you.